When it comes to HVAC services in Davenport, Iowa, Clinton HVAC and Plumbing is the name you can trust. Our certified technicians are dedicated to keeping your home comfortable year-round. Whether you need a quick AC repair, a new furnace installation, or routine maintenance, we've got you covered with prompt and professional service. We're available 24/7 for emergency repairs, ensuring you're never left in the heat or cold. Plus, our energy-efficient upgrades can save you money on your bills. With transparent pricing and a fully licensed team, your comfort is our priority. Call us at 563-607-5917 or visit clintonhvacandplumbing.com to book your appointment today.